Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, we will learn how we can download Audible app on your device. It's a short and simple video, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up a Play Store or App Store on your device and there search for Audible. Once you found the application, tap on install button to download and install this app on your device. And once you tap on install button, downloading will be started. Now there you go, your Audible app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now you can tap on open button to open your Audible app right away. But if you don't want, you can go back to the home screen and there you will find the app on your device. So that's all it takes to download Audible app on your device. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.